You are listening to Jobs in Pods. Welcome to Jobs in Pods, the only podcast where you can hear real employers, leading recruiters, and staffing agencies talk about their jobs and tell you how to get them. I'm your host, Peter Clayton. On today's podcast, I'll be speaking with Rick Stanley, Vice President and General Manager of the Engineering Division for GE Energy. GE Energy is at work connecting people and ideas everywhere to create advanced technologies for powering a cleaner, more productive world with integrated product and service solutions in all areas of the energy industry, including coal, oil, natural gas and nuclear energy, renewable resources such as water, wind, solar, and biogas, and new grid modernization technologies. Rick, welcome to Jobs in Pods.
Well, thank you, Peter.
So you've joined GE back in 1980 at GE Aircraft Engines. What initially attracted you to GE?
Peter, I think it was the company commitment to engineering. GE is an engineering company with a foundation that was built upon the legacy of our founder, Thomas Edison. We work on solutions for the world's biggest problems. I remember during my recruiting visit, I walked up to a window and I saw an advanced military jet engine that was under test. And it was angry, it was straining, it was pulsating under full power. I was just really amazed, and I just had to be a part of it. I was hooked from that moment on.
That's great. So what's been the most exciting project you've been involved with since joining GE Energy?
There's been many. It's really hard to pick just one. I'd say our newest gas turbine, which is now the world's most efficient and the most flexible gas turbine, has certainly been a thrilling one. Our new 1.6 megawatt 100-meter wind turbine, I think, has also been a fun project for me. It's been an exciting one. One of our customers for that turbine recently said it's a killer app for the renewables industry, and it's just thrilling to get that kind of feedback from a customer. I think the recent expansion of GE Energy to be a larger industry player has also been a very exciting project for us and for me personally. We've invested about $11 billion in new business acquisitions, which has been the biggest investment in our history. We now have engineering activities that span from electric vehicle charging to water technologies to oil and gas subsea equipment to industrial software and digital energy. I think Thomas Edison would be very proud if he were here today.
What sort of background and characteristics do you typically look for when you hire engineers for GE Energy, Rick?
I think successful engineers on our team have a healthy curiosity. They love to push the boundaries of technology into new products and new applications. They're grounded in their fundamentals. They get inspired when they work in teams and they get to work alongside other bright people. They have a passion for engineering and for seeing a project through all the way to completion. I also think they want to make a difference in the world. They really want to make an impact.
Okay, so what makes working for GE Energy as an engineer exciting?
I think the opportunities are endless. Really, the scale of GE allows for risk-taking and big impact. There's really few companies in the world with the resources, the funding, the facilities, and just the sheer determination to create the next generation clean power plant or the next generation smart grid. I think GE Energy not only has the scale, but we have a track record that's over 125 years old. So whatever your specialty as an engineer, whether it's mechanical or electrical, chemical, software, aerodynamics, civil engineering, or materials, I think this is a place where you can really make a difference and follow your passion.
What are some of the new projects GE is working on that you can tell us about, and what makes them interesting for a GE engineer?
Well, Peter, our engineering budgets have increased by over 50% in the last 4 years. We have over 150 new product development programs that are underway right now, just this year. They include new gas turbines, new wind turbines, new solar thin film, nuclear plants and fuel assemblies, smart grid projects and power conversion products, software and analytics, and also drilling technologies and even gas engines. The most exciting, I think, are products that actually break the barriers for efficiency and affordability, serving the megatrends like distributed power and fuel flexibility that we see in the world today.
Rick, can you tell us what some of the hottest engineering jobs that you currently have available today are?
I think our greatest need is in the areas of power electronics, software, industrial process control, and turbo machinery design. And we're always looking for deep domain expertise, no matter what the background is. You know, people make the difference. I truly believe that the GE of tomorrow will be created by the engineering team that we build today. I also believe there's no better place or a time to be an engineer in today's world. The opportunity is really at our doorstep right now. The opportunity to be part of a huge movement towards cleaner, affordable, reliable energy for the world. I think GE Energy provides engineers the ability to make a difference, to make an impact, to create your own personal legacy, and to create your own career.
One last question for you, Rick. How can interested individuals apply for career opportunities within GE Energy?
It's very simple. You can visit our career website where you can upload your resume for review. The website address is www.ge.com/careers.
Great. Well, Rick, thank you so much for taking time to speak with us today on Jobs and Pods.
My pleasure, Peter. Thank you.
That will do it for this edition of Jobs and Pods. To see all the current open positions with GE Energy, visit ge.com/careers. We'll also place a link to GE Energy's LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, talent community, and careers website on Rick's feature page on jobsandpods.com. And remember, you can find us anywhere podcasts are, including iTunes, podcast.com, and even YouTube. And to stay current with all the great jobs, employers, and recruiters featured in our Jobcasts, check out our growing Jobs and Pods Facebook community and join in the conversation.